Hi, I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate, and today we're at 3 Orchard Street, a great multifamily investment property that I cannot wait to show you. We're in the heart of Newtonville with great access to the commuter rail, Mass Pike, and express bus to go downtown Boston, Cambridge, and Somerville. Each unit has been updated with in-unit laundry, central air conditioning. First floor consists of 2 bedrooms and a full bath. The second unit has 4 bedrooms and 2 full bathrooms. And each apartment has 3 off-street parking spaces. I'm Ed Johnston with Dwell360 Real Estate. Thank you so much for taking a tour of 3 Orchard Street in Newton. Please reach out to me about this property or any other investment property in the Newton area.